Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There's a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern Kansas, much of Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas, or north central Texas I should say. Cities in today's slate include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. There's a marginal today covering parts of Missouri, parts of Kansas, parts of Arkansas, parts of Oklahoma, a little bit of western Oklahoma, parts of East Central Texas, I should say, all Louisiana, most of Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, and far southwestern Georgia. The second marginal today covers south central Texas. Cities in today's marginals include San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Texas, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Going to today's tornado threat, there are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. One covering west central Missouri, southeastern Kansas, and northeastern and central Oklahoma. A second 2% tornado risk area today includes southern Louisiana, far southeastern Mississippi, far southwestern Alabama, and the very far extreme southwestern tip of the Florida Panhandle. The 2% tornado risk areas today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, New Orleans, Louisiana, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Mobile, Alabama. Now for the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses southeastern Kansas, central and eastern Oklahoma, and north central Texas. The 15% wind risk area today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering parts of Missouri, a little bit of parts of Kansas, northwestern and southwestern Arkansas, western Oklahoma, east central Texas, and central Texas, all Louisiana, southern half of Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, far southern Georgia, the Florida Panhandle, and northern Florida. Another 5% wind risk today covers south central Texas. The 5% wind risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Texas, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Arlington, Texas. And now for the hail threat for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering southeastern Kansas and northeastern and central Oklahoma. The 15% hail risk area today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Edmond, Oklahoma. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering parts of Missouri, parts of Kansas, parts of Arkansas, parts of Oklahoma, northeastern and east central Texas, all Louisiana, most of Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, far southern Georgia, the Florida Panhandle, and northern Florida. Another 5% hail risk today covers south central Texas. The 5% hail risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Texas, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed areas, there are two black dashed areas for today. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the two black dashed areas are the highest potential areas for, really? There we go. The two black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter larger today. Alright? I'm not saying the 2-inch hail. I'm not saying the 2-inch hail can't happen outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be in the black dashed areas. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed areas are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. But again, I cannot rule out 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. But again, the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed areas. Cities in the black dashed areas today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Laredo, Texas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Edmond, Oklahoma. So, in summary, scattered severe storms capable of large hail and damaging winds are possible from southeast Kansas through much of central and eastern Oklahoma in the North Texas Friday afternoon and Friday night. More sparse occurrences of large hail and damaging winds are possible across the Ozarks, Central and South Texas, and the Gulf Coast states. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today, whether you're in the slight or the marginal, because sometimes slight and marginal can produce strong storms, and you don't know what the heck those can pull off sometimes. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.